In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a form channel in HubSpot. By the end, your website form submissions will flow straight into a shared inbox, so your team can see, assign, and reply from one place without anything slipping through the cracks. Start by opening your browser and heading to HubSpot. Sign in to the right account for the portal where your form lives. If you manage multiple accounts, double-check you're in the correct one, and make sure you have permission to edit inbox settings. Typically, you'll need admin or inbox access. Once you're in, click the gear icon at the top to open settings. In the left sidebar, find Inbox and Help Desk. This is where HubSpot centralizes all the channels that can feed into your shared inbox. Click into Inboxes. If you use more than one inbox, choose the one you want to route form submissions to. If you only have a default inbox, you'll land there automatically. Inside the inbox settings, look for the option to connect a channel. You'll see several channel types: email, chat, and more. Select Forms. This choice tells HubSpot to treat your form submissions as conversations that appear in the inbox. Next, you'll be asked to pick a form to connect. Choose the HubSpot form you want to use. If you don't see it, make sure the form is created and published in your Forms tool, and that you're viewing the correct folder or filters. Embedded HubSpot forms and HubSpot-hosted forms both work. Just select the exact form your visitors will complete on your site. Click Next to set up routing. Here you decide who should receive incoming conversations created by form submissions. You can route to a specific user, a small group, or a team, whatever mirrors how you handle these inquiries in real life. Clear ownership speeds up response times and ensures accountability, especially if you triage different types of requests. You'll also see options to automatically assign conversations. Automatic assignment can distribute workload evenly or follow set rules, such as round-robin among available users. If your team prefers a triage approach, you can leave new submissions unassigned so someone can manually route them. Choose the method that best matches your service or sales process. When everything looks right, click Save. That's it. Your form is now connected as a channel. As a best practice, submit a quick test through the live form and confirm it appears in the inbox, that ownership is assigned as expected, and that notifications reach the right people. With the form channel connected, your team gets a clean, trackable workflow for every submission, complete with conversation history and reporting.